Ever wonder if your favorite apps have a secret past, a different name they went by before they hit the big time? It's like finding out your celebrity crush used to be called Brenda in high school, a little surprising, a little intriguing. Today, we're diving into the history of a popular investing app that's helped countless people get started on their financial journey. But before it was Raiz, what was it called? For many of us in Australia, Raiz is synonymous with micro-investing. It's the app that rounds up your spare change and invests it, making investing feel accessible even if you're not a finance guru. It's brilliant in its simplicity, turning everyday transactions into growth opportunities. But this successful platform wasn't always known as Raiz. Its original identity tells an interesting story about evolution and strategic rebranding. Back in 2016, when the concept of investing your spare change was still relatively new in the Australian market, Raiz launched under a different name, Acorns. Yes, like the tiny nut that grows into a mighty oak tree, a fitting metaphor for small investments growing into significant wealth. The name Acorns was already well established in the United States, where the original Acorns app had pioneered the micro-investing model. The Australian venture was initially a licensed version of the US platform, bringing this innovative approach to a new market. So, why the change from Acorns to Raiz? This wasn't just a whimsical decision. The rebranding, which occurred in 2018, was a strategic move driven by a desire for greater autonomy and a distinct brand identity. While the partnership with the US-based Acorns was beneficial in the early days, allowing the Australian team to leverage existing technology and a proven business model, there came a point where having an independent brand made more sense. The name Raiz itself is derived from the Spanish word for root. This new name wasn't just a random choice, it was carefully selected to reflect the core philosophy of the app, planting roots for your financial future. It emphasizes growth from a strong foundation, aligning perfectly with the idea of starting small and building substantial wealth over time. The rebrand allowed the Australian company to tailor its services more specifically to the Australian market, develop new features independently, and pursue its own strategic vision without being tied to the branding and direction of its US counterpart. This transition from Acorns to Raiz wasn't just a cosmetic change. It marked a significant step in the company's journey, allowing it to mature from a licensee into an independent financial technology powerhouse. Since the rebrand, Raiz has continued to innovate, expanding its product offerings beyond just roundups to include direct investments, superannuation, and even a rewards program. It's a testament to how a well-executed rebrand can breathe new life into a company and propel it towards greater success. So, the next time you log into your Raiz app, remember its origins as Acorns. It's a neat little piece of trivia that highlights the dynamic nature of the tech and finance world, where companies constantly adapt and evolve to better serve their users. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.